Hello, welcome everyone, it's Martin here at Cryptogain. Not a lot has shifted in cryptocurrency markets over the 24 hours, other than the fact that MicroStrategy is just buying the dip, scooping another 1 billion worth of Bitcoin using that temporary decline in the prices. So in light of that information, you can see that for institutional investors, Bitcoin remains a very attractive buy at the currently depressed prices due to the market correction that we observed. And in terms of the 1 hour chart on the shorter term trading horizons, we can see that there is indecisiveness between 51,000 and 48,000. This is further supported by indecisive MACD indicators oscillating around the zero line with no decisive move one way or the other. And furthermore, the relative strength index is also uncertain between around 60 and 40. So the way that I'm reading that chart, there are opportunities to trade these movements between 48 and 51 with high leverage. However, if we break over 51,000, there could be an opportunity for a long position with target at 52,200 and then higher up at 54,850. Conversely, if we break below 48,000, shorting Bitcoin with targets at 46,000 and 44,000 would be a good idea. Next, very briefly, I'm going to touch on Ethereum versus Tether. The picture remains largely unchanged from yesterday. Let me just zoom in a little bit so that you can see the values slightly better. What we had on the 4-hour chart is that at least we had a bullish crossover with the blue MACD line over the red signaling line. However, there is still indecisiveness in the market, and if we zoom in a little bit on the 1-hour chart, we can see that the trading range between 1650 and 1580 still maintains. So ideally, I would be waiting for a breakout outside of that range before initiating positions either way. Over 1650, a long position with a target at 18,000. Conversely, if we break under 18,000, under 1580, under 1,580, I would be initiating short positions with target at 1,430. Similar indecisiveness in the MACD indicator like we had with Bitcoin. The two more interesting ideas that I have for today are for short positions. First of all, just scroll down a little bit, in Uniswap versus Tether. What we're observing here is a declining resistance line, and in addition to that, on the 4-hour chart we just had a bearish crossover with the blue MACD line crossing underneath the red signaling line, supported by relative strength index reading under 50, which is also bearish, and this is also supported with a bearish crossover on the daily chart and relative strength index declining. So the trading idea that comes on the back of that is initiating short position under 24.5 with the target at 21.15 and the stop loss at 26. Keep in mind, these are just ideas, the markets are not experiencing major moves, so this is something that you can consider and can be a potentially profitable idea, but like with everything, it's just statistics. The profitability comes over the long term from doing many trades with favorable risk to reward ratios. And the final idea for today is in Cosmos versus Tether. What we have on the 4-hour chart is a declining trend once again. So this is further supported by bearish readings in the MACD indicator and bearish crossover with the blue MACD line crossing underneath the red signaling line, which is furthermore supported by relative strength index readings, which are under 50, giving us more confirmation of that bearish sentiment. So under 19, short positions with a target at 16.5 and a stop loss at 20.5. As always, keep learning with the video education section in the Cryptogain Market Insights subsection and join our Crypto Signals Made Easy group for lots of insightful articles and trading ideas. Thanks for joining me today, trade wisely, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the Stormgain community. That way, you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.